Cold mornings, you turn the key, and nothing happens. No engine sound, just clicks. If this has ever happened to you in winter, your car battery is probably the reason today. I'll show you proven winter car battery tips that can save you from being stranded, save money, and help your battery last longer. Let's get started. Why car batteries fail in winter? Cold weather is the #1 enemy of car batteries. Here's why: cold temperatures slow down chemical reactions inside the battery. At 32 FOC gives battery loses about 20% power. At 0 degrees Fahrenheit 18 C gives battery can lose up to 50% power. At the same time, your engine needs more power to start. Thick engine oil adds resistance, so winter demands more power, but your battery gives less. Tip number 1. Test your battery before winter. Before winter starts, always test your battery. How to test? Visit AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, or O'Reilly. Most US stores test batteries for free, or use a multimeter. 12.6 V equals healthy. Below 12.4 volts equals weak. Below 12.0 volts equals replace soon. Important. If your battery is 3 to 5 years old, replace it before winter, not after it dies. Tip number 2. Clean battery terminals. Dirty or corroded terminals block power flow. What you need: baking soda, warm water, old toothbrush, gloves, and safety glasses. Steps: 1. Turn off the engine. 2. Disconnect negative terminal first. 3. Mix baking soda plus water. 4. Scrub corrosion. 5. Dry terminals. 6. Reconnect positive first, then negative. Clean terminals equals stronger winter starts. Tip number 3. Keep your battery warm. If you live in very cold states like Minnesota, New York, or Michigan, this tip is gold. Use a battery insulation blanket. Park inside a garage. Park near a building to block wind. Never cover battery vents. Only use approved insulation wraps. Tip number 4. Drive your car regularly. Short trips in winter are bad for your battery. Why? Starting uses huge power. Short trips don't recharge the battery fully. Best practice: drive at least 20 to 30 minutes. Highway driving is best, if not driving often. Use a battery maintainer. Tip number 5. use a battery maintainer. If your car sits for days or weeks, this is a lifesaver. Battery maintainer keeps battery fully charged, prevents freezing, extends battery life. Perfect for winter storage, second cars, classic cars. Tip number 6. Turn off electrical loads. Before starting your car in winter, turn everything off. Turn OFF, headlight, sheeted seats, radio thruster gives maximum power to the starter. Warning signs of a weak battery. Don't ignore these signs in winter: slow engine, crank clicking sound, dim headlights, battery warning light, car needs frequent jump starts. If you see these, replace the battery immediately. Emergency winter battery kit. Every winter driver should carry this: jumper cables, portable jump starter, gloves, flashlight, blanket. This can save your life in freezing weather. Final pro tips: buy batteries with higher cold cranking amps. CCA cheap batteries fail first in winter. Always check battery health before winter begins. If this video helped you avoid a dead battery, hit the like button, subscribe for more real mechanic winter car tips, and comment below: how cold does winter get where you live? Drive safe, stay warm, and I'll see you in the next video. Car battery winter tips.